Welcome to the Infinilean channel, where we simplify complex topics. My name is Zach, and I will be your narrator for today's video on an essential tool in the Six Sigma toolkit, the histogram. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will help you understand the importance of histograms in Six Sigma processes. First, what is a histogram? At its core, a histogram is a type of bar chart representing a dataset's frequency distribution. It's a visual representation showing how often each value occurs in a dataset. Histograms help us see the underlying frequency patterns, like peaks, gaps, and outliers, that aren't obvious from raw data alone. Histograms are extensively used in Six Sigma. They help understand process variations, identify problem areas, and drive improvements. By visualizing data, teams can make data-driven decisions, leading to more precise and effective solutions. Histograms show the shape and spread of continuous sample data, helping to understand variations and spot anomalies. Follow these steps to create a histogram. First, collect data from your process. Then, the data will be organized into groups known as bins. Each bin represents a range of values, and the number of data points in each bin determines the height of the corresponding bar on your histogram. Carefully choosing an appropriate bin size is key to creating an informative histogram. Once your histogram is constructed, analyze the shape of the distribution. Look for patterns, such as a normal distribution, or identify whether it's left or right skewed. This can provide insights into potential causes of variations within your processes. A tall peak indicates frequent data points in a specific range, whereas wider spread data shows more significant variation. Let's pause momentarily to review common histogram patterns in Six Sigma. 1. Normal distribution, symmetrical bell-shaped curve indicating a stable process. 2. Skewed distribution, asymmetrical, showing process shifts. 3. Bimodal distribution, 2 peaks, suggesting 2 different process behaviors. 4. Multimodal distribution, more than 2 peaks, suggesting multiple influencing factors. 5. Uniform distribution, flat, meaning all values occur at similar frequencies. 6. Outliers and gaps, indicate special causes of variation that need further analysis. Histograms help identify potential problems, such as defects or bottlenecks, and thus offer an opportunity for targeted improvements. They can also reveal whether a process is stable or if certain factors need to be adjusted. Understanding histograms allows Six Sigma practitioners to maintain quality control, enhance efficiency, and ensure project success. This simple yet powerful tool bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights. So remember the histogram next time you're faced with a dataset in your Six Sigma project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time.